Hindi tinipid.
10 lang yung baby. 10.
Sa akin, 20 na yung laman.
Nalalasog agad siya sa bibig mo.
Ano? Tender.
Super tender.
Pupunta daw kami ng
Big C. Siguro mga 2 days, 3 days before na pag-uwi. Ganun. Para medyo hindi na masyadong alanganin sa mga budget.
Babalik kami sa Central World. Or sa Platinum. Sa Platinum, nandun yung Pogi. Bibila ko ng t-shirt. Bibila ko ng t-shirt din kay Pogi.
Kay Kuya Marco.
Mark.
Marco, tapos ang pangalan ng kapatid.
Sino yung mga nasa kalendarya? Yung mga nakilala mo na.
Siyempre yung una, si Nanay Celia. Kaso wala si Nanay Celia, di ba? Day 1 lang.
Hindi, inuupo kasi kanina siya. Kasi nag-change na yung weather ng ng Thailand. So from summer, naging tag-ulan na kaya medyo may edad na kasi si Nanay Celia.
Kaya pala yung si Ate Cora yung...
Anak niya yun sa pagkadalaga.
Kaya pala. Tapos nakita din namin si Tito Eduardo, yung binila namin ng manok na inasal.
Yung sa milk tea.
Masarap.
Yung sa milk tea.
Ayun, si Tita Asul?
Tita Asul.
Si Tita Asul ba yun? Hindi, Tita Nora yun! Si Tita Nora!
Tita Nora yung pinakamasarap mag-milk tea dyan sa baba.
Tapos di-discount niya tayo na dapat bumili kami doon, 5 pieces na milk tea.
Tama.
Na drinks, 5 pieces na drinks. Tapos each is 25 baht. Tapos ang sukli niya is
975.
975. So,
Parang 25 lang yung binayaran.
so 5 baht each drink sana.
Oo.
Yung nakalagay doon. How much is 25?
Oo.
Buti na lang honest kami.
True. Hindi ko pa alam kung paano ko i-explain kasi ang binigay niya sa akin na sukli. 975. So sabi ko, hindi ako hindi ko alam kung paano ko sasabihin na, ganun.
Buti na lang kung na-reply natin. 25 baht, right?
25 each, gano'n.
Oh, suppose, ang ano natin is 100.
Sobra siya
25.
ng 100.
100. Kasi alam mo kung bakit, binigyan ka niya pa ng 100 pa.
Oo, 100 ba?
Dapat ang sukli mo lang is yun talaga,
Oo.
875.
That's true.
Kasi 125 baht eh.
Taranta siya.
As in, lokal. Nataranta ba naman sa sistema ninyo?
Nataranta siya kasi akala niya,
Para first time namin makakita.
ayun. Bumili din kami kahapon kay Lolo Mario. Nawalan kami kasi marami siyang pinapaaral.
Pakita mo yung anak niyo si Yunduna. Pinapakain.
Sorry, hap.
Naawa kami, pinapunta na namin dito.
Kami pareho mga baliw.
Walang mana ni Papa. Walang mana ni...
Wala na ano?
Agawan ng mana, nakangiti.
Peke.
Peke, para siya yung bigyan ng mana. Hello everyone, this is our second day here in Bangkok. And for today, pupuntahan naman namin ang
So, sinabihan natin yung
world's
si Calvin 7.
largest outdoor market, which is Chatuchak
That is a shopping
Market.
mall.
But for today, lang siya, parang side lang namin. Parang titignan lang
Just
namin
one day
siya.
I spent
And
like
we'll go there for
Almost
the
3,000.
second time siguro sa mga
and
next days.
I don't know where.
And today
where
kasi
the
pupunta lang
things.
kami sa
The food
isang
is
mall
really,
show doon. Kaya ayun,
And it's
titignan na rin
spicy. I
namin
like
kung ano yung mga
spicy.
mamibili. But
different
we'll
stuff,
also
like
be
spicy.
showing you guys kung ano yung mga
Or they
pwede
say,
namin tignan or ano yung mga
most
pwede
spicy.
namin bilhin.
Like
And if makakabili kami or if
I
not,
like, spicy
siguro sa
chicken.
second time na lang namin na pupunta, which is siguro baka sa Wednesday or Thursday namin siya pupuntahan. So stay tuned kasi we're gonna be showing you what or how Chatuchak Market is, kung ano yung mga pwedeng bilhin doon, kung ano yung mga pwede naming i-recommend sa inyo. Ayan. So, currently, nandito kami sa Bolt. By the way, they have a Grab type of transportation din sila. So, actually, they also have Grab, but if you are looking for a cheaper transportation and kailangan nyo talaga ng car, I recommend na Bolt ang gamitin ninyo. That's letter B for boy, O-L-T. Ayan, currently.
Bold ha.
GMS. At the back, good for 6 yung ano namin, kinuha namin. And Minty is Ken. Say hi, Ken.
Hi.
And Minty is in front.
And this is P.O.
Swadika.
Yeah, we're doing fine.
Ayan. Doing good in driving.
For memory.
Ayan. See you later. See you later, guys.
Ngap nung one.
Masalakit pa ako sa ano. Parang hindi tayo maboard.
Cute naman ito.
Nag-Chinese pa. Ano kayo? Yung kay ano na lang.
Sige, nakanta.
Sample. Kamelo.
Be my na lang para lahat tayo makasabay. Sabay blank po. I'm blank.
Blank.
Shy ka pa niyan, eh.
Parang nag-judge na ako dito ah.
Huge ka niyan.
Ayun, try natin.
Guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa Wake Up Darling. So ayan, as you can see, sobrang ganda dito. Let's go! Mabuhay! Sawadi!
Say hi to our vlog.
Dito, tapos bigyan mo ako.
Yung wallet ko.
So here is the most recommendable coffee shop here in Bangkok. Near siya sa Chatuchak, kaya best place din siya to visit.
Sa'yo lang.
Parang hindi tayo nakapag-video ng guys. We're going to Chatuchak Market. So, bibigyan namin kayo ng mga tips kung saan kayo pwedeng bumili. So, join me guys!
Hey, hello everyone. We're about to enter the Chatuchak Weekend Market. Ay, ayan, hindi ako nakikita. And, ayan, so, iikot lang kami and titignan namin what are the things or stuff that we can buy here. And, ayan, we're gonna be sharing it to you later. what are the stuff or what can we buy here. Pero most probably parang lahat naman yata nabibili dito. So, ayan. Ayan, so see you later guys. Ipapakita namin sa inyo kung ano yung mga bagay na pwede naming bilhin and kung ano yung mga pwede naming i-recommend to everyone who's watching this video. See you later.
ใครเครียดห้องน้ำในห้องน้ำผมใครเครียดในห้องน้ำว้าย So as you can see here, there's a lot of art. We have, taga dito nakasolo ka lang. Sana nabunggo na lang ako. Puro kaharap-an tayo ngayon. Sobrang harap ng tao. Pwede kaya itong idalhin sa airport. Charis.
Parang eto na yung chat-to-chat natin. Or babalik pa tayo?
Babalik pa tayo dito.
Balik pa tayo. Uy, ang ganda! Minty!
Di ba?
Mukhang mabubudol na naman si Ken.
Wala. Sa loob. Entrance pa lang. Sige, ang bilis mo. Ang bilis mo.
Pinipili na naman.
Ano yung pakpake? So, andito po kami sa loob ngayon. And actually, we advise you guys, especially kapag afternoon kayo pumunta, they have indoor wherein mas mas cooler than doon sa labas. But, you know, pwede naman kayong side to side na tumingin ng mga gusto nyong bilhin. And right now, nandito kami sa section na mga accessories. So, earrings, mga bangles, necklaces, ayan. Sobrang random minsan sa section ng mga accessories. They also have food section as well. So everything can be buy here technically. Pwedeng madami talaga siyang pagpipilian, from souvenirs to food, to clothing, shoes, and kahit mga gamit sa bahay. So as what we have mentioned earlier, parang side lang namin tong chat-to-chat for today kasi hindi ako nakikita. Ayan. So as what we've mentioned earlier, parang side lang namin napupuntahan today, titingnan lang namin yung Chatuchak Market. But hindi talaga muna kami totally bibili kasi gusto namin, you know, wala naman kaming time. There's really no time pressure for us. Kaya magtitingin na lang muna kami and then babalikan na lang namin on our second day na pagpunta dito. So, ayan. Kasi if we also recommend you, kung wala naman kayong hinahabol na oras, na mag-browse muna ng area, tignan-tignan muna yung mga prices, compared prices, and then balikan nyo na lang kapag meron pa kayong oras. Kasi akala nyo mura na siya, meron pa palang mas mura sa ibang store. So, ayun lang naman. Kung wala lang naman kayong oras na hinahabol. But, you know, kung may time pressure sa inyo, okay lang din naman. Kasi maliliit lang din naman yung differences ng mga prices nila. So, mga 1 baht, mga 2 to 5 bahts, ganun yung mga differences. Pero syempre, di ba, when you are shopping, malaking bagay na din yan. Especially kung madami kang binibili. Ayun lang. Okay din yan.
Ito nga, maliliit. At least
Anong mas gusto mo amoy?
I like this original, but since naamoy ko yung white kahapon, nung sa Central World, yun na yung gusto ko. But this one is also okay.
Pero parang nakaka-3K na ako.
Bakit 1.8 na nandun?
1.8 na.
Saan?
This one. I used this the last time I visited Thailand. It's so nice in skin.
And I use this also. And look at my face now. It's very
Hindi,
dark.
hindi naman yan yung reason.
Basta i-disclaimer mo siya, Mi.
Yeah, disclaimer, it depends on your skin type. But for me kasi, nasa mid yung skin ko, oily and dry.
Nasa mid
So, hindi siya masyadong sensitive. Kaya, this one was good.
Kaya po siya nagtagal, mga kapuso.
Mga kapuso, ang pogi naman nito. Parang
Yun po ang dahilan kaya napabili na.
titikman. Pero babalik pa naman kami dito.
Saan tayo?
Mga 3 days before kami umuwi.
Sino yung pupuntahan natin?
Pupuntahan natin ay si Mark at si Om. So, stay tuned lang kayo dyan, guys. Parang maganda. Stay tuned lang kayo kasi babalik pa kami. Ayan, pati a bit. Charit! Sobrang saya din naman, dami kong nabili. Here at JJ Mall. Ayun na, excited na. Pupunta lang tayo na... Ay, ang sarap.
Ang rule nila is, it's technically free kapag manonood ka lang. Pero pag gusto mo ng fan sign or gusto mong may signature yung mga merch na bibilhin mo, you need to buy 500 baht.
Oh my God, I'm so excited to see Mark Coffee.
Because it's so rare to in the Philippines, like they just watch Thai. But I am Japan BL, Chinese BL, Taiwanese BL, Korean BL, Thai BL. Yeah.
She's very funny.
So,
Nakatabi si Minty na nampal. Sakit-sakit. Sakit mo naman.
Say hi!
Di, wag ka mananampal, ang sakit. Baka ikaw masampal ko mamaya.
nagulat ako.
May
แบนเลยนะแบนแล้วก็เพื่ออ้วนเดี่ยวเนี่ยนี่ขาสั้นยาวนี่ถือว่ายาวแล้วก็สวัสดีพี่สาวคนนี้หน่อยสวัสดีครับสวัสดีครับโอเคโอเคเดี๋ยวให้โมโมสวัสดีทุกคนก่อนไม่ได้ครับโอ้ถ่ายเล่าเลยโอ้ได้ตามโมรับได้ถึงโมนี่เลยโมเอาโมนี่หลายโมไปไม่ได้แล้วช่วงแล้วนี่เป็นจ่ายเข้าไปแล้วเนี่ยมันไม่ปลื้มนะแบบนี้เดินก่อนเลยเดินต้องมาโชว์สิ
Dito na talaga ako si Mark ng papa.
โม่เดินแบบสำเร็จมาแบบนี้พี่สาวนี้อะไรของเนี่ยถ้าใส่นี้เนี่ยถ้าฟังเดินแบบสำเร็จนี่เดินแบบสำเร็จครับเวลาเจอหน้าสำเร็จต้องเป็นแบบนี้ทุกรอบเลยนะโอเคไหม
Okay lang. Ano siya kakalakad ka?
Yun, first call naman guys. Panoodin niyo yung first call.
เขาบอกว่าเพลงนี้เรียกว่าแต่มนุษย์ใช่จุดแก้วเนี่ยจุดแก้วจุดแก้วเนี่ยแล้วก็สุดเลยใช่อะไรนะแก้จุ่มทำไงอ่ะสับเอ็กซ์ซีเหรอเป็นคนละให้มาครับจบเมื่อกี้เราไม่รู้เรื่องเราว่าเรื่องว่ามนุษย์ใช่ไหมใช่ทีนี้ผมก็รู้สึกว่าพ่อกับป๊ามันเหมือนเดิมผมเลยไม่อยากให้เขา วิ่งกับเวสลี่ที่เป็นถ่ายนี่อ๋อปลาฉลามวิสลี่อ๋อใช่ใช่เธอเป็นเด็กกูยกลูกอยู่นะตอนนี้ยกลูกวิ่งอยู่ใช่ยกลูกวิ่งอยู่เลยแรงขึ้นขอแรงทำไมชี้ตกใจนะครับจริงไม่ใช่ไม่ใช่เชื่อได้เลยมันไม่ตกใจถ้าผ่าไปข้างนอกนะครับเขาจะตกใจง่ายจริงครับไม่ใช่ทุกคนลองพูดชื่อเขาบุ๊กนี่นะบุ๊กให้ทุกคนลองตะโกนร้องกันทุกคนลองตะโกนร้องกันครับ1 2 3แล้วพ่อเป็นโอ้นะโอ้โหกูมากับป้าเลยเร็วมาให้รูปภาพหาป่านะมาหาป่าวะถ้ารู้โตแล้วถ้ารู้โตแล้วจะสอนรู้ว่าป่าไม่ใช่ป่านะครับป่าโอเคไหมครับป่าเติร์ดอย่างเงี้ยรู้เลยนะรู้เลยนะรู้เลยนะ